Hi, hello, good evening. Welcome to second day bootcamp program conducted by Dexterity company. Could you please let me know people who have already attended yesterday? Can you please mention in chat box session the people who have already attended yesterday? Uh, I think some of the people have missed yesterday's class. No worries. Today I will be again discussing the things we have covered yesterday in a brief manner. So, could you please let me know people who have already attended yesterday? Please mention here. Himavan Swami, Darshan, Rahul. Hi Rahul. Hi Sindhuja. Hi Purna. Hi Abhishek. Hi Harshita. So the chat is going very quickly. So I am able to spell only few names. But hi to everyone. Good evening all. Some of the people are asking to share for the attendance link. By the end of the session, our team will be sharing in the chat box. There you can fill the attendance part. No worries. Fine, fine. Indu Reddy, hi. Anand, hi. Sneha, hi. Akshat, Ranjit, hi. Hi, everyone. Good evening, all. To see you all people. Attendance link will be shared by the end of the session. It will be very important so that you will be getting certificates. Hi, hi, hello. Let us wait for some couple of minutes to start the session today. Let other friends also get joined. So if your friends are not yet joined, if they are still about to join, please uh, tell your friends to join. Please let them know the session is about to get started. Hi, 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 Soumya. Hi, Irfan. Hi, Harsha. Good evening, all. Very happy to see you all. Am I audible and my voice is clear? Hello. Is there any voice issue from my end? Am I audible? Is my voice clear? Could you please let me know? Could you please confirm? Okay, okay. Thank you so much. In between, if you find any difficulty regarding voice or any technical issues, please mention in the chat. We will clear as soon as possible. Oh, cool, cool. Thank you so much for your reply. Could you please let your friends know that the session is about to start within couple of minutes? We will take some couple of minutes to start the session. Before that, could you please introduce yourself? People, where are you from? From which college? Which stream of technologies you are into? Which stream of departments? Hi, hi, hello. Thank you, Dikshita. Thank you for confirming that there is no technical issue. Thank you. Could you please let me know the people who haven't attended yesterday? Could you please mention in the chat box the people who haven't attended yesterday's session so that some person is asking where is Messi? I think he will be in practicing in football court. Oh, so many people are from Mangalore, Mysore, Vizag. It's great. KL University. Wow. In Vijayawada, KL University. My hometown is also very near to that. Vijayawada, Narsaraopet, wow. Bangalore. Hi, Bangalore. Puneet from Mysore. Wow. From Noida, we have people. Nice to see. Nice to see people from various parts of the globe. It's very happy to see all you people. So, could you please let me know the people who have attended yesterday's class? Okay. Fine. From Chennai, we have people from Rajasthan, from Dubai. Wow. From Dubai, we have people from Warangal, from Srikakulam, Gudur, Hyderabad, West Bengal. Awesome. Very happy to see all you people over here. Kakinada, wow. Ongol, KL University. So, how many people are from KL University? We have been seeing that. Not attended. Sukanya, I didn't attend. Oh, no worries. The people who haven't attended yesterday's, that won't be any issue. Today, in brief manner, I will be recalling and recollecting all the topics what we discussed yesterday. So there would be no worries. Uh, there would be no worries. There would be no hurries. The session will be going in a very pleasant, with informative, with technical information, and with fun stuff we will be dealing with. Yeah. From SRM University, we have people from Tamil Nadu, Guntur. Wow. From Karnataka, West Bengal, Parul University, Ongol. So, could you please let your friends know about our session is about to start very soon, so that no one will miss the session. No one will miss the informative part. We will be starting in a very um, soon. We will be starting very soon. Hi, hello, good evening, all from Dubai, from OU, from Hyderabad, from SRM University, Ambedkar Institute of Technology. Wow, Hyderabad, again KLU, Karnataka. Awesome, guys. Very happy to see you all here. So, could you please type here which technology you are learning right now, and which college you are from? CMR University, Bangalore, JEC Austin University, Rajasthan. Wow, nice. CMR University, Bangalore. Wow, nice. Sri Muthukumaran Institute of Technology. Hi, hello. Aditya Engineering College, Surampalem. Hi, hello. Ambedkar Institute of Technology. Ambedkar Institute of Technology. Hi, hello. Yeah, some people are asking about certificates. Yeah, we will be giving certificates after the completion of the 7 days bootcamp program. So the people who have filled the attendance form will be only giving certificates. So make sure that you are filling your attendance form. Attendance form will be sharing in the chat session by the end of the program today. AI and Data Science, Mumbai University. Hi, hello. SRM University, Aditya College of Engineering, Global Academy of Technology. Hi, hello. SRM University. So some people are asking about the certificates. We will be giving course completion certificate, one certificate from Dexterity, and one certificate for your outstanding performance. So around three certificates you will be getting. No worries. Yeah, one more reminder. Could you please let your friends know that the session is about to start within a couple of minutes. We are about to start. Make sure that each and every one of your friends are there. They have joined in the call. They are engaging in the call, so that no one will miss the informative part of technology. So we will be having uh, thorough knowledge regarding web development today. So the class will be very interesting today with a good type of interaction will be happening between you and me today. So it will be very informative and interactive. Again, thank you so much for your response in the chat. Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. Hi, hello from Pune. People are stating Deccan College of Engineering and Technology. Hi, Irfan. Akshaya Institute of Technology, Tumukur. Hi, Shruti. So one more last reminder, within 1 minute, within 1 to 2 minutes, we are about to start the session, and please inform it to your friends and make sure everyone are there in the call, and be in the call for the next 45 to 50 minutes. We will be having extraordinary session today. Make sure that you are having pen paper with you to uh, put it down the main points what I am going to teach you. Global economy of technology. So please make sure that you are sitting with good internet connection, with open mind, so that you are very much excited. I know that you are going to learn a good type of good concepts in technology. So learning new technologies and best part of technologies is one of the enthusiastic part of a techie. Okay, thank you all. So we are about to start the session. Okay, right. So yesterday we discussed about. So shall we start? Shall we start the session? Could you please mention yes if we are all set to start our day two program of learning front end technologies, back end technologies, web technologies. Could you please let me know? Am I audible? Am I clear? With no any issues? Shall we start? Please mention in the chat. Shall we start? Shall we go ahead? Are you guys excited? Shall we rock the session today? Wow, 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 wow. Awesome, awesome. Awesome responses from you guys. Yes, yes, sure. You are about to get into the session. Okay, right. So, what we discussed yesterday, the people who haven't attended yesterday and the people who already attended yesterday, please let me make brief introduction about the first part we discussed. For the people who attended newly, that will be awesome experience to you with respect to learning part. And the people who have already attended yesterday, again, if you listen it carefully, that will be recollecting and that will be again some revision for you also. Yeah, we will start. So coming to web technology and web development, before discussing what is web technology and what is web development, we should know what is a web. From childhood onwards, we are very aware of WW, World Wide Web. Okay, World Wide Web, for anything we want, for any information we want, for applying any bus tickets, for purchasing any clothes, for purchasing any shoes, for knowing any information, we will be just going to the Google. For example, I want I want the information about Ritik Roshan. I will type Ritik Roshan. In Wikipedia, and some of the images of the Ritik Roshan will be getting displayed, and everything about Ritik Roshan will be getting displayed here. When he is born, and what is his profession, what are the awards he has earned till now, and what are the filmography, what and all the success he had, and if there is any controversies regarding him, that will be also displayed. What is his personal life, and what is his media image, and everything from A to Z, the things will be getting displayed regarding Ritik Roshan. Okay, so this is all handled by web. This is all called as web. Whatever the things we are about to deal, by using internet, that is called a web. For example, I am using uh, MS Word or MS or I am using Paint here, or I am using Paint here. So in I use Paint and I can draw some pictures here. Okay, I can draw some pictures. this paint is this paint is already a developed software product. What is the difference between software product and web page or website or web application, whatever it is? A software product, once it is developed, we can use without the premises, so without any internet connection you can use. But when it comes to web, with internet connection only, you can use the web. For knowing the information about Ritik Roshan, you know Wikipedia, you know www.ritikroshanwikipedia.com. It all runs by internet. If internet is not there, you are not able to do anything. For example, you have to purchase anything on Amazon. You know www.amazon.com. You know that you are going to purchase some blue t-shirt and you have some 300 to 1000 rupees in your account, which is pretty much enough to purchase the t-shirt. But if there is no internet connection, nothing is there, right? So the process or an application or a page or a site which runs on internet is called a web. Building, creating, publishing of websites, web pages and web applications is called web development. And coming to web technology, all the things collaborated with web technology are two parts. One is front end technology and second one is back end technology. Let me clear by taking a simple example. For example, I am teaching you now the concepts regarding web technology, web development, JavaScript, so on. So I am teaching you. You are watching me and you are learning the things from me, the technical part or any other stuff what I am going to teach you. But behind that there is lot of work is happening. Our technical team is handling YouTube live things, operation teams is handling a lot of things, and management is dealing with lot of things, handling with the students and providing them posters, session links, attendance forms, and any other curriculum activities they are going to uh, help the students for the better future. Everything, lot of things and lot of activities are carried out there, but you are watching only me. I am front end. All the things what I have told before is back end. Simply the things what user is able to interact, what user is able to see, and what user is able to communicate with is called front end technology. The things what user is not able to see, the user is not able to interact with, that is called as back end technology. That is completely server side technology. For example, let me take another web page. I will take flipkart.com. So whenever I open Flipkart, we will be seeing groceries, mobile, and some uh, beauty care products are there. They will be displayed. Some iPhones, some chappal. What are the different types of categories and products are available from their end? Everything is getting displayed here. Okay, we will see login button in that profile. What are our orders, wish list, gift cards, any rewards there from Flipkart, and for us, or how to become a seller. We can purchase and sell both in this platform. And what are the things already we have added? I mean, some of the things we are about to purchase, we will keep it in a cart, like a bank balance and all what you call. So these and all things we are able to see. Login button I am able to see. I want to purchase some electronic device. Electronic button I am seeing here. Okay, so whatever user is able to interact, whatever user is able to see, this is and all front end technology. That's fine, right? Okay, I want to purchase a mobile. I am clicking on mobile. Okay, so all the categories of mobile, Realme, Samsung, Google, Moto, everything, iPhones are getting displayed here. Okay, from where it is all coming? From where it is all coming? The information and data is already stored in server. From server, the website is collecting the data. We are not seeing the data, we are not seeing the server. That is and all backend technology. From there, we are getting the information and data. Whenever I click on this particular Vivo, only Vivo phones will be getting displayed here. From server, we will be getting the data of all the phones. When we click particularly on Vivo, only Vivo phones are getting displayed. This and all the backend work, the server side work. From server, we are collecting all these things. Am I clear? Am I clear? You are following, right? Please mention in the chat whether you are able to follow the session. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Like what is front end technology and what is back end technology. And coming to web technology, in front end technology, four main things will be coming in picture. The first one is HTML. The second one is CSS. Third one is JavaScript. Fourth one is Bootstrap. In upcoming sessions, we will be clearly discussing step by step what is HTML and what is CSS and JavaScript programming language. Also, we will be discussing. Before that, make me clear in a brief manner what is HTML and all. Coming to HTML, it is a markup language. The name itself indicates HTML, hypertext markup language. So what is the use of this hypertext markup language? For example, human body should get formed. For that, the hand should be like that, the face structure should be like that, the rib cage should be like that, legs should be like this. There should be a proper structure. There should be a proper structure for a human body. What is the main pillar for that structure? What is the main pillar for that structure? Skeleton. Obviously, skeleton is the structural part of our body. Whenever we are developing any web pages, HTML is the skeleton and structural part. Is it clear? HTML is the skeleton of the web page. For example, again, take me to the Flipkart website. Okay. So whenever I open Flipkart, left side, filters should be there. On the top, metadata should be getting displayed. What is the metadata? For example, let me take a table of students. In that students, there are having rows and columns. For example, every column is having a name that is called as column name. I want the details of a students. For that, I will create one table. In that table, we have different column names like student address, student ID, student location, student age, student phone number, student email address. All these things which are indicating the data is called metadata. Likewise, here, login button, become a seller, more cart, and what are the different categories are available here. This and all comes under metadata. So on the top of the page, metadata should be there. Left side filters, categories, pricing, brand value, and customer ratings should be there. And in this part, according to the user search and according to the interest of the user, what they have already searched in the search box, what they have trying to get from the search box. For example, if they want iPhones, that should get displayed in this box, and the search box should be this much font size, and login button should be this much font size. There should be hyperlinks here, there should be checkbox here, there should be some radio buttons here, there should be some assurance certificate that should be marked like in this font. This and all like a plan of action. When we are building any house or when you are constructing any apartment, right, we will be having some blueprint of plan. So that is a structure. HTML is the same. That will decide the structure and shape of a page and how the page should be. For example, every website and web technologies, they all are run in browsers. What is a browser? Different activities takes place in browser. For example, Chrome is a browser, Firefox is a browser, Internet Explorer is a browser. So we are having n number of browsers. Whenever we write some HTML code, browser will take that HTML code and display according to the structure and designed part when we are dealing with HTML. So I will clearly discuss about the HTML in the upcoming in this session only. In upcoming time, I will be discussing clearly about the HTML part also. Okay. Okay, done. We know about the HTML. HTML is nothing but markup language, hypertext markup language. When we write the code of HTML, then the structural part is done. Browser will take that, and structural part will be fine for a browser. Then let me say one thing clear. You can uh, mention that in the chat box also. Have you ever seen skeleton? Have you ever seen skeleton? Hello? Am I audible right? Can you please mention in chat box? Have you ever seen skeleton? Either in movies or in real life also. Have you got any chance to watch a skeleton or skull? Might have. Some people might have. Some people might have. But whenever you watch a skeleton or a skull part, will you get afraid or not? Oh my god, that is a skeleton. Man, move forward. That is skeleton. Oh my god, that is very frightening. So, skeleton is obviously and definitely frightening. That's why our body, structural part, skeleton, is covered with muscles, some flesh, some skin, some bones. So everything, skin part, everything got covered. So skeleton is completely covered, and on the top of the skin we are wearing shirts, we are wearing pants, we are wearing shoes. So many accessories we are wearing and making our body very very beautiful and attractive. From skeleton to this, our body is very much presentable and attractive. There comes the picture. CSS, cascading styling sheets. So what is the help of cascading? Someone have seen in Virupaksha movie. They are mentioning in chat. Awesome. So what is cascading styling sheets means? They will add some beauty to the HTML part. They will add some beauty to the HTML part. For example, again take you to the Flipkart. Okay. Uh, Plan of action is done by HTML. Then the login button should be in blue color, and the graphical representation of a phone should be like this. And Apple iPhone 11 wide 64 GB. This part should be in whenever I am hovering my mouse on here, whenever I am keeping my mouse on here, that should be displaying in some brighten color, like it is a markup. See, whenever I am keeping my cursor here, it is changing from black to blue. Okay, and the font size, the beautification part, completely beautification part will be carried out by CSS. Completely the beautification part is carried out by CSS. Then what about JavaScript? JavaScript, it is a scripting language. Java and JavaScript both are different. Apple and custard apple both are not same. Likewise, Java and JavaScript both are different. JavaScripts run outside of the browser using a platform or tool called Node.js. Why JavaScript and what is the JavaScript? We are having lot of programming languages, right? Some of the programming languages like Python, C languages. C language is from ancient time of developing technology from the scratch, where the beginning of technology came in picture. C language is there. Recently, Python is having its boom. And of course, Java is like evergreen uh, programming language, and JavaScript is also evergreen program scripting language we have. So then why only we are discussing about JavaScript? JavaScript is very much flexible and comfortable when we are creating web pages and when we are dealing with the web pages. For example, everything is done in the Flipkart page. HTML work is done, CSS part is done, and the browser and the website is very much appropriate and very much ready to have what you call its uses by the customers. Then what should I do? I am typing, I want Redmi phone. Immediately it is showing the Redmi, all the Redmi phones from the Redmi company. Specifications are also there. Prime, Peppy Purple 64 GB, mAh power bank. So many specifications and so many parts of Redmi are getting displayed here. We are watching here. No worries. Okay. Then I clicked on Redmi and it is getting displayed, right? This is called dynamic process. This is called dynamic process. Whenever I clicked on Ritik Roshan, already the web page is there. Already web page is there. I am just scrolling down, watching, scrolling down, watching, scrolling down on watching, and some hyperlinks are also given. So whenever I clicked on those hyperlinks, that particular data will be also given. That particular data will be also displayed on the web pages. This and all fine. This is static action, but this is dynamic action. Whenever I clicked on Redmi, immediately the data regarding Redmi phones will be taken from server. For this, a programming should be done. For this, a language communication should be there. For example, I want Redmi. Yeah, Saiteja is asking for Redmi. He is on Flipkart website. In Flipkart, everything is fine. The UI and UX part is very fine. The graphical orientation is very fine. The page is very much attractive. The page is very beautiful. But Saiteja want only Redmi phones. He doesn't want any other phones. Please give the details of all the Redmi phones from your server. It should communicate. If I say like this, will server listen? No. If I say like this, will the backend part or backend roadmap will listen to me? No. For that, a communication should be there. A language should be there. A dynamic language should be there. A proper language which can communicate exactly according to the need of user should be there. There comes the picture JavaScript. There comes the picture JavaScript. Okay. Then fine. So people, you are following me, right? Am I clear? Could you please mention in chat box whether you are able to follow me or if you are having any disturbances or if you are facing any trouble. Some are asking about attendance link. No worries. By the end of the session, our team will be sharing attendance link to you. There you can share your attendance details. No worries. So are you following? Is it clear? Till now, we have discussed what is web technology, what is web development, what is front-end technology, and what is back-end technologies. What are the different segments and what are the different elements, different concepts present in web technology? Okay, fine. Then what is Bootstrap? To do all these things, we need a tool, right? For example, uh, I want to go Bangalore. I need some vehicle, either train, bus, or flight, whatever it may be. There should be some source, there should be some tool, there should be some vehicle for me to take from my hometown to Bangalore. So, likewise, we want web development. We are about to launch one website, or we are about to deal some web pages, or we are about to launch one web application. Yeah, some are asking about coding part. So in these 1 to 3 day sessions, we will be dealing with theoretical part. In upcoming sessions, the coding part will be also discussing. So, okay. Is my pitch fine, or shall I make it some little bit slow or fast or medium? Anything you can mention. I will be moving according to you. You are very much important. Your understanding is very much important to me. Okay. Yeah, Bootstrap is a tool, a platform, an open source platform where we can where we can develop web pages, websites, web applications, and all. Okay, fine. Today in this class specifically, so people who haven't attended, the people who haven't attended yesterday, this is the part what we covered. And again, for recalling, I have discussed in clearly. Some add-ons are there to yesterday's class, but the same part only discussed yesterday. And today we are going to discuss briefly about HTML part. Okay, are you okay? Are you guys excited? Are you guys ready to rock with HTML? Hyper, the name itself, it is hyper, so you should be also very much hyperactive whenever we are dealing with hypertext markup language. Okay, okay, fine, you are following, right? Okay, we are about to start HTML. HTML. HTML is hypertext markup language. Simply, we call it as markup language. It is very, very easy to learn. When I say about HTML, it is very, very, very easy to learn, and we can create our own websites by using HTML. For example, for example, uh, some of you people are very much enthusiastic and you want to start your own company, so and so. Whatever the company it is, for example, you are going to start a car manufacturing company. Some specifications will be there for your car manufacturing company. That is a very what you call, so much new technologies are getting customized in that, and you want to promote it in a wide range. Definitely you need a web page. For example, ABJ567579 so and so company is your car company. Whenever I type that thing in website, all the details regarding your company, about company, job opportunities in your company, career part in your company, and what are the different models of cars available in your company, and what are the price tags for that, everything will be clearly displayed over there. So for any company, for any organization, for any firm, for any corporate organization, or whatever the organization it is, whether it is a school, college, institution, whatever it is, definitely we need a web page. We can create web page or websites by using HTML, which is nothing but a markup language. What is the specification of HTML? Previously, I have discussed. It is a structure of a web page. It is a structure of a website. And you are some people are getting confused. What is difference between web page and a website and web application? Let me clear that also. I have opened the Wikipedia, right? Like a newspaper, I am able to study everything: HR, College of Commerce, college leadership courses, notable alumni, and everything I am able to see. This is called a web page. Some pages are single pages and some pages are multiple pages. If you are going here, so many pages are coming, that is a multiple page. So the page or the section or the screen what you are able to see right now through website, that is a web page. Whenever it comes to the flipkart.com, this is a website. This is collection of different categories of products: electronics, TV, appliances, books, uh, toys, clothing, accessories, collection of different things in a particular site. This is called a website. And what is web application? Whenever we open some Instagram or Facebook, That app is already designed. There will be no need to go to any browser. We can go Facebook in browser, or we can install Facebook application, no need of going through any browser. Okay, so you got the differences, right? The pages what we are dealing on the website, it is called web page, and the collection of different things, and where all the details of a company or all the details of a particular product is getting displayed, that is a website. No need of using any browser, though you can use the website, that is called web application. Okay, web applications majorly we will be having in mobiles, and even in laptops also we can able to install those applications and we can use. No need to go to any browsers. If you are having web application, you no need to go to Google Chrome, uh, we no need to go to any Internet Explorer. That's fine. Okay, so nowadays HTML is very much useful. Why? Because without websites nothing is there. And what HTML contains? It contains series of elements. It contains series of elements. When I say series of elements, when I say series of elements, okay, everything will come. What should be the heading of that particular web page? For example, let me go to Flipkart page. What is the heading here? Flipkart Explore Plus. Likewise, whenever I open Wikipedia of HR College of Commerce, this is the heading, and the main heading Wikipedia, the free Wikipedia, and the tag is free encyclopedia. This is the this is the heading and representation of this particular web page or website. Likewise, we are having different elements: heading, metadata. Metadata I have already discussed before. And what else we want in a website? We want body and body in the sense, this is all body. This is this logo and all this is comes under headings. This part is all called metadata, and this is all the body of the website, where the things according to the requirement of a consumer or customer, what are the things available here, that will be the body part. Likewise, there are n number of elements and segments available in HTML language, coming from headings. And one more thing, paragraphs, different fonts, different colors. Okay, everything related to web page, everything related to website, it is called, it is all handled by hypertext markup language. For example, this is one paragraph. For this paragraph to get displayed like that, some HTML program will be written. Let me take one sample example of HTML. Let me take one sample example. Let me take one sample example. Okay, this is a sample HTML language, HTML code. For example, I told HTML consists of so many segments and we call it as elements, right? These and all are elements of HTML. For example, uh, we will construct one apartment in Bangalore or Hyderabad, or we will have one villa or one building. For that, whenever the people, outside people, to attend me or to meet me, definitely there should be some significance. For that, I will keep like Sai Teja mansion, or Sai Teja villa, or Sai Teja Enclave, so that people will be knowing that is the representation of my house. Coming to hypertext markup language, whenever we are writing this piece of code to indicate that this document is HTML document, this particular line we have to give. Okay, exclamatory doc type HTML. This particular piece of line, we have to give at the starting of the code to represent that this document type is HTML. Why document type only? When it comes to any other programming languages like Python, I am developing one software product. For that software product, I need Python programming language to interact between front end, back end, and mediumware and third party involvement and data processing, data manipulation, data interpretation, and data modifications and recreating data, creating data. For this and all, I have to create programming language. I have to write the particular piece of code, and I will store it in a .py files. There, from front end and back end technology, that piece of code will get integrated in the form of units that will get builded in the form of units. Then finally, the output will be given to the customer after some testing and deployment is done. Likewise, HTML we will write in a document manner in Notepad, or you can write, or you can use any text editors also. You can text editor is very much useful, so that if there is any mistake, the editor part will identify, the suggestions part will be coming, and you can modify accordingly. Okay. So HTML we can write it on Notepad or text editor. It's fine, no worries. That's why we will clearly mention it as doc type HTML. When we mention like this and you write some piece of code under this, the browser will take this HTML code. The browser will take this HTML code and run according to this code and give the structural data on that particular website. Am I clear? So doc type HTML is mainly to declare the document of HTML. And what is HTML? This particular piece of line. This line is like just I am writing this for understanding part. This is the root element of HTML. This is the root element of HTML. For example, take a banyan tree or a neem tree. Long ago, some hundreds of years back, some good people, some good wise men have planted that. Nowadays, the roots are going some so many where. We are only seeing the branches, the twigs, leaves, and all we are able to see. But roots we are not able to see. But without roots, there will be no existing of tree or a plant. Roots is like hot for a human body, like hot. For plants or trees, roots are like that. For HTML language, after declaring document type, definitely we have to mention HTML. And what is this? This is head. For example, take this web page. HR College of Commerce and Economics. This is the header of this particular web page. All the information regarding this college will be dealing with this page. All the information, what are the courses they are offering, um, information about their alumni, different references with respect to this particular college. If there are any external links, they will be given. And the details of this page will be displayed under this header. Okay. This is called header. For example, you have to learn HTML, cascading styling sheets, nothing but CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. These are all elements and segments. What we have discussed, these HTML and all, these are all coming under a part. called front end technology and front end roadmap. So heading is front end technology. And what are the parts in that? For example, this is heading, and what are the different things available here? College leadership, notable alumni, these are all there. Likewise, for any page or for any website, the heading should be important. Again, see, I have searching for Redmi mobiles. The specification 3G RAM, 8 MP rear camera, 500 mAh lithium polymer battery, these and all are getting displayed. Of course, this is the body part. We will be discussing in HTML part regarding body, but there should be header, right? One main specification, Redmi A1. The model of this Redmi phone is Redmi A1 Plus, light blue 32 GB. This is the header part. For this particular piece of information to get displayed regarding this Redmi phone, there should be some HTML, there should be some HTML code written like this. Okay, the head part, and the title of the page, anything you can give. For example, to construct my house, I will give my title as Saiteja Enclave. Like that, the title of the page, you can give the title of the page. Here it is Flipkart Explore Plus. Likewise, the title you can give. Okay, of course, the title is nothing but head part. uh, to indicate that is the heading. We will be writing that piece of code in between these uh, head part, head. In between, we are writing titling page. So the headings part will be getting displayed. Finally, the body part. I have already discussed in Redmi. All the specification comes under body. For example, if I keep P, this is for paragraph. This is for paragraph. This is for paragraph. I can write something so and so. I am teaching. I am teaching front end technology. Okay. This and all comes under the paragraph. This is not any heading. Whenever it is heading, we have to give title here. For example, here I displayed page title, right? I want page title to get displayed as Flipkart. I have to write Flipkart here. I want Amazon. I will write Amazon. If I want Mintra, I will write Mintra. If I want Dexterity, I will write Dexterity. So whatever the things we displayed in between head and title, that will be displaying as a header part. And for paragraph, this will be particular piece of code. So this is all a sample piece of code. According to the information we are giving inside this particular code, that will be displayed on the website. Here I am writing, I am teaching front end technology, right? That will be getting displayed there. If I write here HR College of Commerce, so and so, in that paragraph, in this paragraph, I write HR College of Commerce, so it will be displayed here like that. If I write that in header, it will be in header. If I want to write in paragraph part, that will be in paragraph part. Am I clear till now? Am I clear? You guys are following, right? Any disturbances? Could you please let me know in the chat? Is everything clear? Fine. Very good. Okay. Uh, we have discussed about the header part and paragraph part. Now I will discuss header part. H1, H2, H3. So what these and all H1, H2, H3. These are three headers. For example, I Teja my name. I want this font should be around 8. See, my name is Sai Teja Suguna. I want Sai Teja to get displayed in very good fonts, and Suguna should be somewhat little. This is H1, this is H2. For example, let me show you clear. This is a particular piece of code. I want 6 headings. For that, I will mention heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. And doc type HTML is definitely mandatory. Why? Because to indicate that this is a document type. To indicate that this is a document type, and HTML, obviously, that is the root element, and body we are discussing here. So in between body, we are writing body. So we see this element body, top and down we will write body, and in that body we will be writing what are to be displayed, and HTML should be mandatory on the top and bottom before ending the code, and after doc type HTML those two should be mandatory. Why? Because those two are root. I want in heading 1, I want Sai Teja. This should get displayed in very what you call high font. Okay, that's why I write here. Next, my surname. I want little bit lesser font than Sai Teja. My age, that should be very little, of course. Likewise, if I write the code like this, and if I run and execute, the output will be like this. Okay, and the age will be very less than Suguna. Did you observe? Saiteja font is somewhat bold and somewhat bigger in font. When it comes to Suguna, it is again a little bit decreased. With respect to Ace, it is completely decreased than Suguna. Likewise, when we go with any heading, let me take you. Yeah, see, this is very clear. HR College of Commerce and Economics, this font is very big, the heading H1. The next heading, Hasaram Regional College of Commerce and Economics. This should be somewhat decreased. And again, College of Leadership, this is somewhat increased. Likewise, if I want 6 different headings for a particular website, I don't want each and every heading in a same font size, so that I am using this particular piece of HTML code, which is nothing but I have written here. This particular piece of code will indicate H1 should be somewhat top in font size, Suguna should be decreased. That should be decreased in a decreased manner. 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In such a manner, in a pyramid, inverted pyramid type, it will be getting displayed. Let me take an example. This is a triangle, right? If we invert this triangle, so this is H1 part, this is H2 part, this is H3, H4, H5. Likewise, the headings will be getting displayed. Okay. So this is all about giving headings to a particular web page. Then what is a paragraph? What is a paragraph? Definitely for any page, we need a paragraph. For any website, we need a paragraph. We cannot do anything by taking heading. If only heading is there and nothing is available in the website, that is useless, right? Then definitely we need a paragraph for that. This is the syntax for paragraph. This is the syntax for paragraph. Okay. Now I have this is the syntax for paragraph. For example, this is my first paragraph I am written. And whatever the text I have typed here, whatever the text I have typed here, that will be getting displayed. This is the class regarding web technologies. Web technology. So whatever I displayed in this particular syntax between P and P slash, this is the class regarding web technologies that will be getting displayed. So paragraph section is also done. Yeah, guys, our team has already shared the fill the attendance form as soon as possible. Our team has shared. You can watch in the chat box. Please click on that link. Please click on that link and fill your attendance form. The people who fill the attendance only eligible for getting certificate. Those people are only eligible uh, to get the certificate. So please fill the attendance form. So I think you are pretty much clear about HTML. So HTML is very easy language. We can execute it very easily. So for that, for anything, for a body, let me take an example of a human body. We have head, we have body, we have toes and all. Okay. For stand, we need foot. Foot is nothing but root, like HTML syntax, what we are using. To indicate that we need doc type HTML syntax, we will be giving some headers. Under the header, we are giving the information regarding okay. So these 2 days we will be discussing about theoretical part only and execution part, and this will be dealing in the upcoming sessions. You don't worry. Why? Because you are very new to the boot camp, right? In boot camp, we will be giving brief introduction about these things. We will discuss. No worries. Let us finish the theoretical part so that things will be very much clear. So you understood about. Uh, I think you understood very clearly. We will conclude the session very soon. Before that, I will explain you a very interesting concept in HTML. Attributes. What is attribute? What is attribute? Attribute is nothing but the part of it HTML code which adds some more information to HTML page. That is called an attribute. All HTML elements can have attribute. Body can have attribute, head can have attribute, HTML root can have attribute. All the HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes will add some more information attributes will add some more information to the particular HTML piece of code. I will explaining you. Yeah, team, can you share the link again? People are asking for the link to get shared again so that they will fill the attendance form. Okay, yeah, we are discussing about the attribute. Okay, let me take this particular piece of code. Okay, in this image, image is element of HTML part. It is an image. If you see src here, src, src is nothing but src is nothing but attribute to this particular image. If I just keep image here and if I give some image part, whatever I have uploaded, that will be getting displayed. If I add src attribute to you, let me take uh, to Flipkart web Redmi again. Okay, here Redmi A1 Plus is getting displayed, right? For this image to get displayed on this web page, the HTML code should be written in such a manner like image src and image here goal is there. There will be writing Redmi A1. So src is attribute to image element. Likewise, whenever we write this particular piece of code having, I'm just giving the syntax for this particular src attribute. It is for every attribute or for every piece of code on the top you have to write doc type html and html head body top and down. We have to write those things. There should be no doubt in this. Just for explaining you attributes in a brief manner, I am discussing you. Okay, likewise for every element, for so many elements we are having attributes. For example, this font size should be there, and when I hover this mouse it is on blue color. Definitely some attribute will be adding to that particular piece of HTML code. Okay, for example, if you see here, HTML is an root element. Language, it is indicating the lang attribute is for language. I mean, I am creating a document of HTML. In this body I will be writing according to my wish. I will write some paragraphs or some headings, whatever it may be. In heading I will be writing I am teaching bootcamp. In paragraph, today's these topics are going to covered, and tomorrow these core topics are getting covered, day after tomorrow, so on. So this and all comes under paragraph, and these all should be displayed in en. That means the all the information what I have given in this particular piece of code should get displayed in English language. That is the specification for this element HTML. The specification is added, some extra information is added. That information is all the data of this particular website or web page should get displayed in the language called English, that is described here. And I want image of goal. If I keep that image, so many images irrespective of that website will be coming. It will then, if I specifically mention src attribute to that particular image element, only the goal images will be coming. And you can use alt attribute also. For example, specifically I want goals with jackets, I don't want goals with chudidars, I want goals with only jackets, then alt attribute will be used. Likewise, we can increase the width of that particular image also. For example, take this one. Now this will be in some and some 5 to some 2 to 3 inches 1 inch width and 2 to 3 inches height. If I want to increase this to 6 inches height and 7 inches width, what should I do? Immediately I have to go through the HTML code, and here I have to increase the width 7. height 6. Okay. Likewise, to add some information, image is getting displayed. Okay, fine. What should be the size of that image? What should be the size of that image? There comes src attribute to specifically mention that image. There comes width to indicate the size of that particular image. So attributes is also very, very, very much important topic. We have learned about headings, paragraphs. Okay. And if you want bold text, there will be some syntax. If you want italic, there will be some italic. And if you want, for example, if we want text to get selected like this, then mark is there. To get text very smaller like this, deleted text is like the strikeout. Some strikeout symbol will be there on text. Okay. Likewise, so many attributes are there. By using of those many attributes, this is displaying like this, f azure is displaying like this, the font size is like this, some colors are like that, and everything is according to our wish, according to user requirement, according to customer requirement. Same wise, if I change color here, P style background color, the color will get changed. For example, in this, I want to change this color to blue. Immediately, I will go there. I will change here. For if I want paragraph, in paragraph syntax, I will. If I want in header, I will make it in header syntax. Background color should be so and so, and paragraph color should be so and so. HTML encourages and allows these colors. Tomato color, we are using tomato vegetable, right? That is some dark reddish color. Orange color, dodger blue, medium sea green, gray color, slate blue, violet, light green, light gray. These colors are all very much attractive and very much beautiful colors. When we add these colors to a particular website, the beautification part will be more. So likewise, this and all, by using HTML, we can form a structure, some headers, some body, some paragraphs, some information, some images, according to the fonts, colors, according to the requirement of user, our wish, we can make use of it. Language is our wish. Likewise, all the set of these website is indicated by developing the structure. That structure is nothing but skeleton of a web page, that is HTML, markup language. So this is all about HTML. In upcoming classes, we will be discussing about CSS and some backend technologies and JavaScript. And don't worry about coding part and execution stuff. Our faculty members will be taking care of it. No worries. So first of all, if you are very much thorough about theoretical part, the execution part will be also very easy. No worries. You should be able to communicate theoretical part also to the interviewers while you are facing interviews or you are presenting something. The theoretical stuff is also very much important to crack the interviews and to showcase the knowledge what you gain from internships or from your colleges, anything. Okay, fine, no worries. Execution part also you will be knowing. Before that, you should know the theoretical stuff and background behind those things. If you know the background, developing the things will be very easy. So you are clear about what is web technology, how web development, how to create a website, how to use HTML language, what is the use of CSS, why JavaScript comes in picture. So this is all about. Okay, fine. We will be giving some couple of minutes. The people who have and fill the attendance form, please make sure to fill the attendance, and you can share your feedback regarding the session here. People who haven't filled the attendance form, could you please fill there? Our team has pinned the attendance form in the chat box. Please open the link and fill your details. The people who have filled attendance form only eligible to get the certificate. Those people are only eligible to get the certificates. Please fill the attendance form. Thank you so much for attending the session. Thank you, Royal Gaming. Thank you, Tilak Gowda. Thank you, Deepak. So people who haven't, thank you, Tapaswini. Could you please fill the attendance form? If you fill the attendance form, then only you will be eligible to get the certificates. And to know more about our sessions, our boot camps, our internship programs, and upcoming sessions, please subscribe to our channel where the live streaming is happening right now. Please subscribe to that. You will get updates regarding that. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you all for attending the session. Once again, sure, sure. Tomorrow we will be discussing about color size, no worries. Please recheck once again whether you have filled the attendance form or not. If you haven't filled it till now, again, please go through that link. If you are filled, that's awesome. That's awesome. Thank you so much for attending. The chart session will be there for a couple of time. Please fill the attendance form and make sure everyone who have attended the session has filled the chart. Sorry, has filled the attendance form. For more updates regarding our sessions, for more updates regarding our boot camps, please subscribe to our channel. In tomorrow's sessions, we will be discussing about CSS, JavaScript, and some more uh, informative part which we have left today in HTML. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for attending the session. We'll see you in the next class. Hello.